Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Now, as we speak on 7th December 2020, and Treasury Consulting promised that we are coming up with the CTRM, which is Commodities Trading Risk Management. Hopefully, very soon we would be launching ETRM also, which is Energy Trading Risk Management, which includes petroleum models, natural gas models, and all hi-fi models. This is a model which we made on CBOT, CBOT Con model. And as you know that CTRM must have a capability to come up with valuation and as well as the hedge accounting piece both. So we have taken a hedged item for roughly 3 months. You can see that from 1st March till 2019. We have computed, this is the basic valuation piece. We have computed the valuation, the variation margins and all. Then here did we computed the balance sheet impact. You can see that. And here is the euro dollar impact. Here is the hedge accounting piece. You can see that. And this is the dollar offset, the method which is being prescribed in IFRS. This is the final which is going in the balance sheet, which is definitely the revaluation impact, the net revaluation impact, and the net P&L impact. This is the accounting entries which is automatically generated. No manual intervention is required. You can see that these items are automatically generated. This is the euro dollar exchange rate. Now I cannot show you the full model, but let me confirm you that very soon Treasury Consulting is launching many models in CTRM, which is Commodities Trading Risk Management. And these models would be shaping up in the form of software, and few would continue to be in the form of Microsoft Excel. I understand that in the whole globe standing today, there are around 10 plus companies who are offering CTRM. I understand them with due respect. And now we would be another company who would be offering the CTRM. Now this may be, I would say, and this may be, I would say, a difficult model for you, but this is one of the most simplistic model we dealt with. Eventually we would be coming up in a very tough models covering to hedge accounting. That is my assurance. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting, and you know that now we are done with we have started our CTRM model, and hopefully we will take this forward, and very soon a software will come. In case you have any question, you can definitely WhatsApp us 9818485155. 9818485155. Have a great time, guys. Talk soon.